Hello everyone and welcome to another video with Mr. Math. Today we're talking about inverse functions. Okay, this problem says select all the following graphs which represent y as a function of x and is 1 to 1. So two important things here. We need to first find the ones that are functions of x, so it is function or not, and actually if it's 1 to 1. So the main question is it is a function. So how do we know if a graphic is a function or not? We can know easily if it's a function with the test of the vertical line. So what is this test? We just draw a line, a vertical line on the graphic, and it needs to cut only on one point. If there is a spot on the function where it crosses in 2 points, that's not even a function. And I'm gonna show that immediately with first option. So I'm gonna use a red color, and I'm gonna cross the function with a vertical line. Okay, notice that this one cuts in many points there. It's not only in one point. It cuts here, it cuts here, and it cuts here. So because it cuts in 3 points, this one here is not even a function. That's not even a function. Okay, look another one. So what about this one? When I cross it, same thing. It cuts in 2 points. So, and I can do it again for the same one. It also cuts in 2 points right there and there. So I can say for this one that it is actually, this is no function. That's not a function. Okay. So for the rest, if we do this vertical lines, it cuts only on 1 point. So 1 point, 1 point, 1 point, 1 point. So all of this 1 point, 1 point, 1 point, 1 point. So we know that all those on red, those are really functions. Okay, so I'm gonna mark the ones that are actually functions first. Okay, the ones marked on green, those are functions. Now, in order to know if these functions are actually 1 to 1, now we're going to process something that is called the test of the horizontal line. Okay, with the test of the horizontal line, we need to draw a horizontal line, and if it cuts only in 1 point, then we know that is a 1-to-1 function. So let's start with one that is not a 1-to-1. So look at this one, for example, there, right? It cuts on this point, this point, this point. So this one here is not 1-to-1. That's not a 1-to-1 because the horizontal line cuts more than 1 point. So look this one here. It cuts on this point, and this point. So that is also not no 1-to-1. Okay, so look the one here. It cuts only in 1 point, it cuts only in 1 point. So that's a good one. This should be an option. And look at this one here. It cuts only on 1 point. I mean, every horizontal line, it cuts only on 1 point. All right. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video was helpful for you.